It makes a statement in just about any room, and that's one of the reasons why granite has become so popular.
With granite, once you spend the money and put it in your home, it instantly becomes worth more, but it's beautiful at the same time.
Mark Johnson is the owner of that granite place in Bridgeville, which has been around for nearly 20 years. Mark's family took it over about a year ago.
We have everything from granite to quartz to Carrara marble. We manufacture it all here. You basically, from one-stop shop, you view it. We bring it in from all over the world. You can view it here. We process it here. We have tons of automated equipment. We finish it here. We hand fabricate it, load it on our trucks, and we install it.
Mark says when it comes to granite, people may not realize that the price has come down over the years.
Used to be extremely high-end product that only the most elite could afford, and now it's really becoming a basic in most builders' offerings, and it's really one of the top 3 requested amenities that home buyers look for.
So what do you need to know if you are in the market for granite? Mark says it's easy for them to come in and measure right over your existing counters. But more importantly, you need to pick out the granite. Since that granite place is one of the largest suppliers on the shore, you have 850 slabs to choose from. Different colors, styles, and patterns right at your fingertips.
We also encourage them to come back when we cut the product. So that's certainly open for any of our customers to come back. We'll lay the template out, they can look at it, and they may say, I don't like that particular dark spot here or something like that, in which case that's the time to move it.
And the process of prepping the granite is impressive. Mark gave us a behind-the-scenes look. First, the granite is given a rough cut. Eventually, this will become someone's counter. From there, it goes to what's called a CNC machine. This computerized system will prep the granite even further by cutting out areas for a sink or stovetop. The granite will then move on to the next step, where custom edging is done based on a customer's order. Finally, the finishing touches are then done by hand.
There's nothing that can replace the artisanship of just good old hand fabrication, and there's some folks out there who do a wonderful job for us, and they go out there and they will take a piece that we've run through the equipment, and you get it about 98% of where it needs to be, and a lot of shops will just send it right out the door at that point, but we don't believe in that. We want to take that extra step, touch that product up where it needs to be, look at it, feel it. That's what you're going to do in your kitchen, so we want to make sure that it's correct when it goes out. Then we show up on site, we install it within a matter of a few hours, the project's done, and you have a beautiful kitchen that's increased the value of your home.
The time it takes to get a granite job done will depend on the size of the job, but Mark says from start to finish, it usually takes a week or 2.
Our goal is to give you a custom kitchen, custom bath with granite, quartz, or marble, and make the process quick and easy for you. So that it's not a huge headache to you.
But before getting granite, Mark adds there are some things everyone should keep in mind.
One of the more common misconceptions about granite is that it's all very solid and very smooth. And not all granite is completely smooth. There are many different colors, especially a lot of your lighter colors, that are more porous. The more dense the granite, the darker the color.
How the granite is also cut in the quarry should be taken into consideration as well, a detail most people don't realize.
So most of it comes from Brazil, Italy, Spain. Very little granite comes from the United States itself. So it makes quite a trip to get over here. And it's cut out of the quarries, and the slabs are actually sliced almost like bread, like a loaf of bread. And the key is getting a vendor who will supply you granite that's consecutively sliced. You want to make sure that slab 1, slab 2, slab 3 are in order, because their veining and their natural beauty and flow are going to match together when you seam those together for a countertop.
Aside from its appearance, people also like granite because of its durability. But accidents do happen. Mark says if a granite counter does crack or chip, it can easily be repaired and look as good as new again.